Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word is. What word? Is. Is this your horse? This is my horse. This is the word make. What word? Make. Can you make a house? I can make a house. This is the word go. What word? Go. I think they will go to school today. I can go to school. This is the word yellow. What word? Yellow. I see a yellow car. The car is yellow. This is the word we. What word? We. We will run to our teacher. We can run. This is the word to. What word? To. I see two cats. I see two cats. This is the word little. What word? Little. Oh, he caught a little fish. I can catch a little fish. This is the word play. What word? Play. They can play games. We can play. That's all of today's words. Let's read them again. Is, make, go, yellow, we, two, little, play. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up.
Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.